Hello again everyone, Nathan and Montana here again. This is Annabelle. Good girl Annabelle. She's the happiest old dog in the world. She's like 10. She was going to be put down because she was too old. She's like the most perfect dog a friend of mine's ever had, and she works with a fair few dogs. Good girl. I'm just going to give you a quick how to stop dogs from barking all the time when people are going past your house or at the front door or something like that. It's going to sound a bit weird, probably going to take some more criticism on this one like the others, but you're actually going to reward the dog. You're going to reward the dog for the fact of you're acknowledging it telling you something. There's someone there. It's bored. It's scared. It's basically just saying to the dog, righto, thank you for that, and then you direct them what you want. So I focus on my dogs that I've got are allowed to bark twice and then come back. If they're at the back or there's something there or someone knocks on the door. Got a few extra little foster dogs and things here today, as I said before, that I've been visiting, but I'll show you a brief how I do it. I actually am going to go out here, knock on the door, then when they come out to do it, say, good boy, good girl, thank you for that, I've got it. Then give them a pat, reward it, so they stop, so there's like, someone there mum, someone there dad, thanks, no worries. If they trust you and they respond to you and they'll do what you want, and especially if they'll come to you every time, move away from the door and just get them to come. If they keep going on about outside, just focus on that come command. Forget about what's going on outside. Forget about that someone's at the door or whatever else. Just focus on them coming to you. And then once they come to you, get them settled. Then I direct them where to go and lay down, which I'll show you right now. Other people do different things and ignore them and stuff, which works fantastic. Treats and things when they're barking and restraining them or putting them out doesn't really help getting the place fixed. Alright, I'll show you right now. See some puppies come out, I dare say. Penny's the protecto dog. Tan will help you carry the television out. Very good. Thank you. Good boys and girls. Very good. Thank you. Come. Good come. Good shake. We'll talk about some body language and behaviour, that's shaking off. Come and lay down. Thank you, Penny. Good girl. Baloo. Montana. Lay down. Good girl. Good boy. Go lay down. Baloo, on the chair. Good girl. Just there, Penny. I direct them where I want them. Don't touch them until they're there. Don't look at them until they're there. Touch them under the chin, Baloo. So I just touch there. Wait for him to go. Then I look towards him, touch him, say good boy. With Montana, I just look over, give him a point and a thumbs up. Good boy. So when they hear something barking or whatever else, instead of them carrying on or worrying about it, it's I've got it, thank you. Give them a pat, get them to come back to you. If they don't, then focus on the come. Don't worry about what they're doing out there, and do it in a calm, chilled out way. They're going to get stressed and whatever else. If you can't get your dogs to come during this time, once again, use a 6-foot lead, not a 4-foot one. Join 2 leads together. Put that on your dog. When it's at the door, when it's barking or doing things like this, go over, pick up the end of the lead. Don't grab your dog. Don't ever go and touch your dog when it's in high stress. Pick up the end of the lead and just start walking in the opposite direction. Then take 2 or 3 steps, stop moving. Your dog should come over to you. If it doesn't, crouch down sideways, put your hand on your leg, like I showed you in the original one on how to greet. The dog should come over. You've then got your dog to bark once or twice, then come to you, go and lay down. Hope that helps. Bye from Montana, Penelope, Baloo, and the rest. See ya.